Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Deanndra Iona, and in today's video, I want to do a fall makeup look. And I know you're gonna be like, fall, we're still in August, but it's the end of August, okay? And let's be honest, summer basically was over before it even started. So yeah, I just want to get a head start and start putting out these looks for fall. Fall is my favorite season, so be sure to see a lot of fall makeup looks on my channel. So yeah, just sit back and let's get into this video. All right, so first I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. And I'm like really liking this stuff. I just feel like it feels like water on the skin, like I want to say a silicone feeling as well. This is hard to explain. Like, it just feels good on the skin. Like, I feel like this primer is about to be my new favorite. You know, MAC Prep and Prime is my favorite, but this really about to take over. Now I'm going in with my Benefit Brow Setter, 24-hour brow setter. And I'm just gonna groom these brows in place. Now I'm gonna go in with my Nars Natural Radiance foundation, and this is in the color Tahoe. I'm gonna put a few pumps on the back of my beauty blender. Like, even this foundation is just beautiful. Like, I really love this foundation a lot. Like, I feel like, no, I heard like a lot of good reviews about this foundation, but I really didn't think it was like this good. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer. You know, I love the Tarte Shade Tape. So I'm going in with the color Tan Sand. I'm just gonna highlight. Under my eyes. No, I don't need to do. I feel like every day my makeup routine changes. Like, 1 minute I highlight my chin area, next minute I don't. 1 minute I do my brows before everything, the next minute I'm not. I feel like it's just like how I feel and how my day, yeah, basically how I feel, because I always switch it up. While I'm letting this concealer dry, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Truffle to contour my face. Find my brush. Just gonna blend all of this in together. Alright, so now I'm about to blend out the concealer. I'm gonna bring it over to my eyes as well. So fall is my favorite season. Comment down below, like, what's your favorite season? Are you a summer person? I love the holidays, so like fall, because it's like Halloween. Even though I don't celebrate Halloween, it's just like watching the Halloween movies. Watching the movies, fall, Thanksgiving, and of course my favorite holiday besides my birthday. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I just can't wait for Christmas, honestly. Especially with like what's been going on this year. Hopefully Christmas can be enjoyable. Because I think Amani loves Christmas too, because every day she keeps asking me about Santa Claus and Christmas presents. So Now I'm gonna go in with my Precisely My Brow by Benefit. I'm just gonna fill my brow. So now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder. And honestly, I feel like this thing is like the truth. Set my cheeks. If you guys would like to see a video of me doing like a comparison of the translucent honey and the regular translucent, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that video for you guys. But I've been really liking this one better, honestly. All right, so I'm not gonna leave my powder on too long so I don't get ashy. So we're about to get into these shadow looks. I pulled like a bunch of my eyeshadow palettes that I haven't used in a while. They're mostly Juvia's, and then I have a Anastasia Riviera palette. So I'm gonna see which one that has like more of the fall colors. I feel like Juvia will have more of the fall colors, honestly. Let's see which one I want to use. I feel like I want to use this one. We're gonna go in with the Saharan by Juvia's Place. So I'm gonna go with Catsina first to be my transition color. And I'm gonna put all of this in my crease area. I'm gonna keep building this color up because honestly it looks just like skin to me on my complexion. So I'm gonna keep building this color up until I get the desired color that I want. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Jamila and put it right underneath. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the Sokoto. It's like a deeper orange, not really, but we just wanna try and see what it does. It's like a brighter orange. So we're just gonna put that on top of the Sokoto. All right, so now I'm gonna take this Senegal color. It's more like a copper color right here. So I'm about to put this all over my lids. Look at this, beautiful. All right, I kind of want to make it a little darker. So I think I'm gonna go with Chad, and Chad is like this black color. Just put this on the outer parts. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty What It Do spray. I'm just gonna spray my face a little because I had all this powder on. And then I'm just going to press all of that in my face. And I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Filter foundation. I'm basically going to press the powder under my eyes. And then I'm also going to press it like around the mouth area. And forehead. And down the nose. And now I'm going to go in with my MAC Golden Bronze Highlighter And I'm basically about to start highlighting my face. If I can find my highlighter brush. I guess I'll use this one. Now, even though this is not a blush palette, I like to use it for blush. This is the Warriors 2 palette by Juvia's, and I use the Zama and Daria as a blush color. I'm going to mix Zama and a little bit of Yodet. It's like this brown color. I don't want to be too pink today, so... Alright, you guys, so now it's time for the lips. I'm feeling like doing a matte lip today. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go in. I have these two colors. Let me see. Alright, so I have these two colors. I have Limbo and Avenue by ColourPop. And I feel like because I have the orange, I could do the red. But I feel like I should just do the brown just in case. Let's see. What should I do? All right, so I'm gonna go with the brown. So this is colored Limbo. And let's see. All right, so now I'm gonna go back in with my What It Do spray. And I'm just gonna spray my face one last time. Yes. Yo, this smells so good. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Fall is my favorite season, so you guys are gonna see tons of fall makeup tutorials on my channel. So yeah, I really love how this came out, especially with the matte lips. So if you want to see more videos like this, leave your suggestions in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and turn on your post notifications so you guys can get notified anytime I drop a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.